people. Hello. So we finally get some crab and we're going to curry them with some right rice. Right rice.
No, I'm not curry alone.
Yes. So we beg a parent to give us some crab and finally get some. Yes.
This is the process of them, they're not clean up yet. As
Zero.
you can see, they are not clean as yet.
We're going to wash them with washing brush and we're going to chop them up and curry them in a shell. You hear that,
So
people?
it's called crab tamari.
You hear that? Crab tamale, curry crab. Alright? Right now they're dirty. Well, not me, I'm afraid to touch them. Alright, we get some help and we're going to wash them and chop them up. Alright? Alright, people, so we're wash the crab them now. They show us them clean, them full of mud. Alright, so we're going to wash them and block them up. This is the only way I like to eat crab. Curry crab in the shell. Alright? But me not touch them. They ask for help, me afraid of them. Never hear nothing go so. I want the crab feet, I'm afraid of the crab. The man, that's something I love it, but me not touch them. I'm scared of crabs. I'm not there, this is what I'm saying. Look up here and
This is a man one.
Man one?
Yeah.
But you know when a man?
This.
That?
Yeah. The woman one brother.
And for him little?
Yeah.
So a woman more superior.
Right.
And we have the broad back. Or broad chest. Lie. Me expect say the man chest with a brother.
Not chest. Like, you know them private area.
And private you are that?
Yeah. So them say.
So we have the brother one?
Yeah.
Master!
You can differ. A man always carry a man left claw always bigger.
Man left claw always bigger.
Yeah.
You hear that, people? Man crab and woman crab. And upper claw bigger. And upper private part bigger. Lord have mercy. Anyway, man and woman are going on my belly today. Yeah, man, we wash them clean and broke them up, you know. Season them up.
You want like the original, man. You use the style for me.
So what you little claw and grab? So why am I afraid of them? I try and grab that with the little claw. I don't want to climb and grab. Yes, sir. But them are afraid of something that they come with on here.
You don't want this one, or this idea?
Me? Now hold me come in and touch it.
This idea.
Small claw. Which are them idea?
The little one. See
The little one.
Okay.
Okay, too big. Okay, too big.
Yeah, too big. You don't use the tip of that. That all this whole big object. This whole anything. You know that.
Look in, so you come here, man.
We don't know how she looks on them.
Hmm?
We don't know how she looks on them.
Might take too long for me to do. Alright, so I'm going to put them up in here so till we get the basin. We are going for a basin and put them in. So, okay. That's not up yourself.
Go for the bag of papi.
No, sir.
No, we don't want this.
It's Ashley, people.
We don't want this.
Stop shooting the man.
Actually,
Eh?
then I also like it. Put it on. Put it
This
on.
is shy girl Ashley. And she gone. I do that for you. That in my back. I do the for you. So I see people are tasty and I eat it. Nasty. Well, When you cook the curry crab, them say if you not scrape out back some of that in the back in it,
Make it gravy.
you don't get it nice, you don't get the flavor there. So all me attack, you go scrape out back some. You know if you cook it, man. So not you hear me say I do and whatever. You need to scrape out back some of this in there to get the flavor and the taste. You want to say me nasty? No, that's why I cook for real. You don't put back some of that in it, it don't taste like how it's supposed to taste. You hear that, people? We are chop them up. You know what? Smell a crab in a taxi when I go home. Driver also is a girl that smell a crab, so.
This is a guy bush.
I'm not at home, people. No, I'm not at home. Alright, so when I don't cook my crab, I go home.
Excuse Jazzy.
I don't have the amount of seasoning now. As I'm not at home, I'm just using what I have down here. So I can find. But the crab have to get curry today. Alright? Yeah, man. God have mercy. What am I doing? You know I bite people? Mosquito.
Time.
Whole heap of water. Rain will fall. Come on, mosquito bite me. Ashley, go feed base enough for me, please. Another big one.
Come.
Then we'll have this slide and put it in. So I get mashed up today.
You can't buy that.
What one Ashley? What do you mean? Really, Mago?
You can't buy that.
What do you mean? I put my Freda.
I
I
climb.
see your foot over the Macom. I'm here around serious from foot alone. No, sir. Yeah, I know some people don't eat crab. Only say it was scavenger. And I'll watch tell the story about them to crab that come out of donkey belly. And it's going in my belly today. Make your hoof at dead donkey belly. What? You're lucky if I will think it's going in my belly today. All who say them to crab come out of dead donkey belly. This one will go in my belly today. Scavenger or not. Yeah, man, I know someone don't eat crab. Yeah, I don't say curry crab bad.
Yes. Make it a boy, man. Climb up by yourself, you know.
Oh, this them say are the egg people.
No, do that.
You do the yellow one?
Yeah.
So where egg there? Orange?
The egg in there, yeah, egg in
Or
there.
orange
Female
color
one.
something?
Yeah.
So I do that.
Yeah, I'm a man on this again.
So this is what the black something I want.
Same thing, man.
Do too?
Yeah.
So I pay do me and scrape back in there.
Yeah, I go get egg too much, but you know I used too much of that.
Lord have mercy.
So I don't do that.
Yeah. Come out.
Me and mother so she not eat them.
So,
The shy girl Ashley there. Shy guy. Yeah. Anti-social Ashley. See her there?
excuse Jazari.
Yeah, she that people. Always no one come in the camera. And the person where chop up the crab no one come in either. So I show him hand. I'm so and me I show you here. No want him face in the camera.
You know, I should take up the image,
So
please.
you only can see him and them. The immerse and Ashley.
Do this
All
never.
of my overseas subscribers I make no more run water today. When last one come to Jamaica, no more than run water with some curry crab. You want to love your curry crab, you know. And a long time someone no visit. Long time no come down and jam down here. For eat up to my curry crab. I go in a Heroes circle.
Alice?
Go in a Alice. A long time no go in a Heroes circle go get some boiled crab. I make no more to run water today. Sorry, me never dey home to get some real seasoning pan it. Once I go, we still have to do it in. Alright? Okay man, so we are chop up crab. We soon come back here.
Palm of your hand clean back. You see a big finger? I got control the pie. If you not pull over back, you can't use it to one. For sure. Look. See? Come with the hand. You notice all my finger there inside? You clear in the pull over back.
No. Let me take up the
Like
red
I-
one.
I told me I'll watch the lady. Hurry up before I sit, you know. Okay, no? You take
My people, welcome back.
so I light for the camera. Ready? No
At
need no
the
light.
end, no, we don't need a light.
And the place dance up. Anyway, wash my hands, people.
Yeah.
Ready to season. Eat there.
Wait.
Alright, we'll eat a crab. And we have some egg. I'll scrape back in it. If this not in there, not nice. I was saying nasty if you scrape back this in there. Turn it down, there's a point of plate. What she said? Don't scrape in there. Alright. You have to come up here so come talk. Come make we hear what you say. Come up here so we hear what you say. Come make we hear what you say. Come here so. What you say you don't want them here in there? Eh? What you say you don't want them here in there? You don't want it in there? Alright people, my man have let say this nothing go in there. She don't want it in there. Say 6 tomorrow. She don't want no egg in there. She say any egg she eat, I egg out her chicken. She don't want no crab egg. Alright? Give me some seasoning, Ashley. Pass some scallion. Mama, pass some scallion. Alright. We have some scallion. I wash some scallion and cut them up. You pack up. Bluetooth are coming up.
Oh. Cayenne.
Alright. Season him up, make him germinate. And I marinate. And now marinate him, I germinate him, I will grow. Alright. I want one onion. Small, but can do.
I say ginger one onion now.
I'm not at home, people. Don't follow Ashley here.
Hey.
I don't have it like that.
Good.
Time. One more scotch bonnet.
Look like you can eat already.
This can do. One more. Anyway, for now, let me go and put more. Flour cloves, garlic. Pepper a little bit. Curry crab if you have enough pepper. Right? Yeah, I have crab without pepper. Alright, so Nablet says she don't want no egg nor nothing. Nothing out of the back she don't want scraping there. Come sick her stomach, she said. She said the only egg she eat, a chicken egg. 4 egg. So she don't want it in there. Alright, so we're going to listen to Mama. God, pass that for me, Ashley. Thank you, my darling. You say, oh, so nice, no? Once you show me see crab, make me so nice, eh? People are going to have a ball. We have a feast with this crab here. I mean, when we go home, I put more scotch bonnet in there. Alright? I seize them up and carry them home. I get late. Alright, people? Can go and germinate. The driver come. Alright, what I'm going to do, I'm going to burn 1 in the aisle, season up with 2. Good old beta pack. I love when curry burn, but no problem. Burn some, put some on it. Not a problem. You can't take this fire down here, too low. So I should have stored it. Alright, people. See there? I want to rub in. Yeah, rub in it. So if you not smelly. It smells so good already. Jeez. It smells so good. I'm not done yet. Watch this now. Powder season. Without powder season and it smells so good already. Shit. My girl purpose.
What a foodie, man.
So want more after you can put in it. Alright? Jerk. Look like you can't eat already, don't? Alright. Watch me again. People look there. I could have just eat it right now. I could have just eat it right now. Tessa? Ready to go on the fire. Soon come back, people. Soon come back. Alright? People, you wonder if the party big enough, you know. You know? We're going to burn one better pack in the aisle. Burn one better pack curry in the aisle. Because remember, say, curry dey on the crab already. The mama just burn one in the aisle, you know. All Edwards, wagwan. Eat crab. Eat crab, Carl Edwards. Or is that a crab man? You don't eat them things at Carl Edwards, or you love crab? Tell me what wagwan, Carl Edwards. You love crab? Big up subscribers, we are currying down some crab. Alright? Many thanks to a male parent of mine, Mr. Fadigill, who chop up the crab for me, because I'm afraid of the crab. Thanks to Mr. Fadigill. And Ashley, but she don't do no more than run from the crab them. Yeah, thanks to Ashley, I run from the crab. Put in at this, Ashley. Put your camera in at this. People look there. People, you know the pot big enough, you know. So we are going here. Roll enough, people. Roll. Yeah, man. See there? Roll. Yes. Surprisingly, roll enough. Yeah, man. Whole people, yes, I can pop that Yeah, Ashley, one story pot for me. Up some water. Yes, people. Fix my crab here now. The anchor, though the ship is battered. The anchor, though the sails are torn. I have fallen on my knees. And I have faced the raging seas. The anchor In spite of the storm, the anchor holds. Though the ship is battered, the anchor holds. Though the sails are torn, I have fallen on my knees, and I have faced the raging seas. The anchor holds. In spite of the storm. Curry crab that I go on. Yeah, not too much water. When this cook down, throw some more water again. Alright? You want more scotch bonnet. Remember, so we are seasoning it up. We never put enough season. Now me reach home, put some more scotch bonnet, put some more seasoning there. We soon come back. Let's speed out the crab a cook down, you know. Steam. Jeez. Ah, this is the crab. Yeah, man, it's a cook down. You see how the big claw, yeah?
Put it back in the cook it.
You place in a big claw there. My own. See? Yeah, man. Curry crab. Charlie better pack stay in my pot, sir. Okay. Good old better pack. Yeah, man. Curry crab I cook up. Yeah, put some more scotch bonnet in it. See there? You have another scotching. There. We'll wash him off and come.
Let me can take a piece. Eh? A piece. Eh? More piece here.
Crab raw. Crab no cookie.
Oh.
Hello.
Just put pepper in that pot.
Yes, people, I put more pepper in there.
They look cookie at true. Don't mind me, people. Just a little joke I heard. I'm so hungry. When will this crab cook? I wanted to receive.
Alright, so I'm going to put half of the scotch bonnet in there because I don't want Ashley to cry.
Oh, please, stop calling my name.
Scotchy, half. Then, if it wants more, I only put half in there. Half I put in there, half.
Let's start, people. Uh-oh. Look at this. And I think there's one more in here. See there? All mashed out in the pot. It's mashed out.
The people, the crab smell real good. All crab lovers. All crab lovers, the food thing, yeah? All anyways, are you eating this? Or you don't eat crab? All crab lovers, see where I go on here. Curry land crab in a shell. Alright people, we're going to lock him up and make him go and do him thing. Fix them out, Ashley, spread them out. Alright. I'll lock him down again.
Wait. Put pepper on top. Where's the pepper? Oops. And then let it.
Come on, we'll lock him down. Him go and do him thing. People, crab finishing up. You there? Crab finish. Look at that. Nice thick gravy. You can put some coconut milk or coconut powder in there if you want. I don't want any coconut milk in mine, alright? You can mix up a pack of coconut milk and some coconut powder. See there? This is already thick. Watch this, huh? Big claw. Alright, let me put on some white rice. Have some white rice here. Yeah. Have some white rice. So I'm going to eat white rice and curry crab. Soon come back, alright? Why people? Crab done cook late. Push your person Ashley. Crab done cook late, so you understand? It's a late night dinner. Yeah, I'm going to eat crab late tonight. I come from work and I cook crab. Yeah, yes, people. Crab finish cook late, you know. And a piece of heat in the kitchen, yeah. Anyway, we are going to plate and eat. Understand? So we are going night crab here. Alright. I want this big claw. I want a big claw here. I want this piece. And take out some foot.
You want to hold damn thing. Okay,
I want some foot. Alright, that's enough crab now. I want gravy. So where is my gravy? No, sir. If you have enough gravy, man, what are you mad? If you have enough gravy for my crab, you know. People look like my gravy dry out. Where my gravy? I can't find my gravy.
Don't burn me.
People, I can't find my gravy. I'm only joking. I don't want too much gravy.
Okay, yeah.
I don't want too much bump in my face. I'm taking out some of the foot. Crab nice, Ashley. Alright. Yes, people.
I don't know. You have to go to like crab.
Alright, people.
Why? See, I did a sign.
Pot cover drop. Alright, people. See it there? I think this is enough.
More than enough.
Alright. Alright. Now, I'm going to eat. Alright, I need a spoon. Come on. Alright, people, so the crab finished late and I'm going to eat. And boy, may I tell you a piece of eat in the kitchen. If you can't take the eat, get out of the kitchen. Camera lady, stop eat out the crab, no camera lady. Put on the camera, nice something. And stop eat out the crab.
Yeah, kill me. I taste it. That's a nice thing. Hey.
Come down, lady. Come down. Come down.
Come down, child. Let's eat where we go.
For them we're going here.
Yes, people. Look at this delicious food.
Nice. Lovely. Alwa bread. I miss the curry crab.
I remember how it is tasty.
Ashley, give me food, please.
You know, I keep it on camera.
Give me food, please. All right, so in our community, Old Everglades, we have water shortage. There's something wrong with the well, and we will be out of water for 2.5 weeks. People will go on about 1.5 already. So water will return to us June 14. And may I tell you, no easy. Anyway, rainfall, thank God for the blessing. We have more water more than we can manage now. As we set we jump, and we get water, and plus water truck come around and truck water to the community. So we'll get back water June 14. But it wasn't an easy road, I'm telling you. For the 1.5 week. We have 1 more week to go, June 14, before we get water back in our community. People, The crab full of pepper, you know. I like this juice. Flavor splash, not too sweet. Cranberry and grape flavor. All right, it's not too sweet. I'm going to throw some of this flavor splash. Camera lady, stop eating all the camera. Stop eating all the food. The people them not even see me. She they have, all she have focus on the food. And I help me eat the food. You can't eat food and hold the camera, lady.
There's a thing called multitasking. Yeah, like the food I don't
All right. This juice, very nice. Not too sweet. Right amount of sweetness. You can taste the grape and the cranberry in it. Good juice to have. I love it. All right. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Diaspora. You don't miss on the curry crab. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Nice. Come down, lady.
You can't come down with a drop water.
Mm-mm.
There you go, girl.
As she say her mouth a drop water. Look here. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Yeah, go on, so.
Mm-mm. 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 You have the right juicy cool on the pepper. Mm-mm. Yeah, well, camera, yeah, eat.
I did for them.
Mm-mm. People, it's bad. Mm-mm. Me say, Mr. Heat in the kitchen. All my friend them, all my subscribers, big up on yourself. On the road to 200 subscribers. When I reach there yet. On the road. Almost there. Want more subscribe. Thanks to everyone who subscribed to the channel. You guys are very important to me. I just want to thank you for your subscription. People, persons who you have not heard from a while, in a long while, persons who you used to hear from, you're not hearing from them anymore. And sometimes I don't forget them, you know. Sometimes I don't remember, they don't remember, you know. But mental illness, depression is real. You don't know what a person is going through. Call them, check up on them. You don't know where you're going with them. All right? Person might be stressed. Person might be depressed. Person might be going through something and you just call and talk to them. They feel much better talking over with you. All right? So check on someone. Yeah, man, whether it's a family member, whether it's a friend you used to hear from, you're not hearing from the person again. And you say, Chuck, you go about in business here, man. You used to call me and he now call me again. Check on the person, all right? You don't know what is going on. Mental illness is real. Depression is real. Yeah, man, me I sweat kind of kitchen hot. And then the food hot again. Actually, it have the whole of the food. What is it? What a big space there? I know she gone with all the juice too. But boy, me I tell you, no people.
If I kill me.
Me I tell you, people. Jesus. Mm-mm. 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 People, you're not gonna believe this. Ashley have online class.
If I kill me.
And the way Ashley crave, she come out of the online class, she cut it and they eat out my food. Mm-mm.
If I kill me.
Mm-mm.
Pepper is strong. My mouth is on fire. This juice now.
This is the only way I love the crab. Don't love it any other way. Remember, you can cook it with some coconut milk. Mm-hmm. Yeah, man.
People, about kill me, but the food nice. You go back for next food.
Tell them. I didn't think I joke me I make. Food nice.
Well, spicy.
Enough pepper.
Wicked. Wicked.
No scotch bonnet.
Your mother will cry tonight. With this pepper, she going to cry, man.
Mama Navia go ball with the pepper.
But the pepper bone, I get to like paprika. What a piece of corn. One side is piece of boiled corn. Boiled sweet corn. Yeah.
We never see this set of two people eat one food. Come on, have a food, man. Come on, have a food. People, the anchor hold, though the ship is battered, the anchor hold, though the sails are torn, I have fallen on my knees, and I have faced the raging seas, the anchor hold. In spite of the storm. Don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so when I post anything you know. Big up my subscriber them. UK, Canada, America, Colombia, Jamaica. Big up on yourself. Enough love every time. Manners and respect to all I know. And here what? You catch you in the next adventure. What a piece I eat in the kitchen. If you can't take it, come out of the kitchen. See you next time.